Google just released a new editing model that is essentially the best AI image editing model by quite a lot. Also, it's one of the best image generation models, so this is very powerful. The model is called Gemini 2.5 Plus Image, and you can use it completely for free right now. Previously, it was known as Nano Banana because this was a stealth launch. And here we can see its comparison on Ella Marina and various other benchmarks like style, product recontextualization, object and environment, infographics, creative, and character. This model is especially powerful at consistency of character, doing creative edits, and in general, if you want to do a professional edit of an image, this is probably the model you want to be using. It is available on AI Studio, Gemini API, and Gemini interface. So let's try it out. I have heard that you should go on Gemini, select 2.5 Plus, and upload an image. So I'm going to be uploading, a YouTube thumbnail I have created in the past. So I'm going to ask it to change me into a zoomed in version with a suit. So I'm going to ask it to edit the image, make the guy zoomed in, and put a black suit with a red tie. So I'm going to ask it to edit the image. Now, there may be a case where Gemini doesn't allow you to do this editing because I have heard that in Greece, there is no availability of. What I have heard is that on Europe, there is a potential that you are not going to be allowed to use this model right now. But as we can see, so this was the thumbnail that I uploaded, and here we can see the edited version. We see that everything is pretty clear. We can see the suit with a white tie, with a red tie actually, and it is perfect. This was absolutely incredible. Now, let's try doing something even crazier. We're going to remove the background, so let's try something even crazier. We're going to remove the background of the image and add an open office. So let's see if this model can actually handle all of these specifications, remove the background, and generate an open office in it. I think that would be absolutely insane. Oh my god, the model was actually able to do this change. It perfectly cropped my character, segmented it from the rest of the image, and it was able to also take the text with no issues. Restore the text to the original position. So we're going to restore the text in the original position, and we're going to try something that they say it's amazing with this model, which is multiple edits. Edit number 1, restore the text to the original position, okay? And we can see that the model is very fast at editing the image. On AI Studio, we can find the model. Here. We click that and we select Gemini 2.5 Plus Image Preview. And the model actually brings back the text inside the image. However, there is an issue. So we're going to do 2 more edits. Remove the previous texts, only keep the one from edit 1, and also zoom in. And I should be seen from solder up. So let's give it a try. 2 edits at the same time. We're trying to push the limits of this model. And if you want to learn more about generating images, image editing, generating videos, code, deep research, AI automations, check out my course hosted on Udemy. It's on the link down below in the description. It's an absolutely amazing course. I highly suggest to you. It costs $20. It's a one-time fee. You get over 30 hours of material right now, and you get all of the new updates that I do every single month to the course completely for free. The best and cheapest offer in the market, and this is absolutely amazing. It removed the previous text, it edited me inside the image, and in all honesty, it doesn't zoom me in. This is my only issue with this tool. It's not able to zoom my character in. Let's try again. Zoom in. I will ask it to zoom in once again. I feel that this model is tremendous at a single edit per time. It keeps the consistency, the quality of the image, but it feels like doing multiple edits is not very good and the zooming in is not perfect. Maybe we should change the prompt. The zoom should only happen to me, not the whole image. Make sure to take my character, zoom me in while keeping me in frame. Don't change anything else. So we're going to ask the tool to zoom only me inside the frame. Maybe this needs a little bit of a better prompt. But again, this is very important to understand. You got to give the correct prompts. You got to maximize the potential of the tool. You don't want to be wasting resources, prompts for no reason at all, and the model literally collapses at this point. So let's open up a new image. I'm going to add a YouTube thumbnail, probably from a YouTuber. So I'm going to take this image and I'm also going to append me from another image. I really want to see if it can put me in the thumbnail. Take me on the right image, remove the background, make me pop more and place me in the second image. You should make a YouTube thumbnail so you can actually extend the first image before placing me in. So we're going to give it 2 images and I'm going to tell it to take my image on the right, remove the background, make me pop more and place me in the second image. And we're telling it that we make a YouTube thumbnail and you can actually extend the first image and place me in. So this is a hard prompt. I want really to see if this model can actually perform as well as I would like. I think I probably messed up the prompt completely. So yeah, it placed me like in the image and made the thumbnail. However, it doesn't feel right. So one of the things you should understand is that you should be prompting the model correctly. Extract the avatars in separate images. I really want to try if it can actually extract the avatars in separate images. So for example, you could place something in this model and it's going to extract, the different parts of the images. So it's extracting this one. So we got the first one and now it extracted this one as well. This is pretty incredible. It also hallucinated a bit. It literally just went ahead and generated, both images. Okay, but this completely shows that this model is working quite differently from all of the other models. Make them Roblox 3D characters from Roblox Studio. So we're going to turn them into 3D and you can see already in this video I have made like 30 requests. No issue at all. This model is cheap and very easy to use. This is pretty incredible. I already love it, of course. It can be improved, but yeah. It turned one of the characters into this 3D model. I'm going to ask to turn the monkey into Roblox 3D as well. Oh my god, this model is incredible. You can right now generate Roblox 3D characters completely easily. This is insane. So I'm going to ask it to do 4 different things. Make the image more realistic, add grass and blue sky background, add contrast and saturation, and add whatever effect it's want to make a MrBeast-like thumbnail. We're pushing the model completely to the limit, guys. Nobody in this world is going to ask it these insane things I'm asking it, because my job here is to break stuff. Because if I break stuff, you can see the limits of its model and you can know how to use it. Incredible. They absolutely were able to make them a lot more realistic. This is an insane quality thumbnail by Gemini image editing. It went from this, you can see it here, which is nice, all the way to this. You can see the angle on the face, the shadows, the grass, the blue background, the effects. Incredible. This is absolutely insane, and you can see a small watermark on the right hand side. Who cares? This is amazing. Well done to Google. Image editing, photo editing is solved. There's nothing else to say. This is amazing.